Very good morning, children. So, this is our English class, and how are you all? Fine? Right. So, please be healthy and be safe at home. Got it? Yeah. So, how is the grammar chapters going on? Whether you are watching the videos, can you understand the videos? No, it is very simple and easy. Okay, if you watch the video in an interesting way, matlab you can easily understand. But if you watch just for namesake matlab if your mama papa says that to watch the video, they're scolding. तो इसलिए आप वॉच कर रहे तो वो श्योर इट वोंट बी बेनिफिट. ठीक है, you can't understand. So don't watch the video because your parents are scolding. Okay, so watch the video in an interesting way that you have to learn. You are watching for yourself. Okay, so grammar is very important. So you should know grammar also. If you know grammar, so you can talk easily in English. That's why grammar is very important. The rules are important. Okay? So please watch the video, and when our online session comes now, if you have any doubt in the grammar session, you can ask me. Okay? I'll solve your doubts. Lekin simply you should not ask me doubt. Ma'am, you only said doubt पूछने के लिए. Like that you should not ask me doubt. First you watch the videos 2 times. You just read the book. फिर आपको डाउट है तो you can ask me. ठीक है? Simply without watching the video, without reading the book, you should not ask me doubt. Got it? ठीक है? So watch the video, read the book, and I will teach you also. ठीक है? In online class I will teach you. So at that time you have any doubt, you can ask me. Sure, I'll clear your doubt. Got it? Yeah, so come, let's go to the topic now. So grammar. So please kindly watch the videos. See here also one small girl and one small boy like you. They are reading. See, they are going through the book of grammar. Can you see here? Book of grammar. Nice, no? Yeah. So yes, here starts. So this is the 7th lesson. ठीक है, 7th chapter है degrees of comparison. Got it? 7th chapter, degrees of comparison. So in this itself you can understand. See here, comparison मतलब क्या है? Comparing two things or more than two things. You people used to compare, no? If brothers, you have any brother or sister, matlab you used to compare, no? Mama, so you are buying more for brother or you are buying more for sister. You are supporting brother only, you are supporting sister only, you are not supporting me like this, that, you are comparing, no? हाँ, तो उसका मीनिंग है कंपैरिजन. Got it? Yes. So come, let's go to the topic now. So here they have given the sentence first introduction. So please listen to the introduction explanation part so that next exercise part will be easy for you. Okay? So here the introduction part, explanation part starts. See here, read these sentences. तो ये आपको पढ़ना है. See, the pond is deep. ठीक है? See, this is a pond. You know, no, this is a pond, so it is a deep. The river is deeper than the pond. Okay, so they are comparing here. Can you understand? So first they have said about the pond. This is called pond. And river, you know, no? Ganga river, Brahmaputra river, that is called river. So the river is deeper. It is more deep. So that's why see deeper than the pond. Okay, so this is comparison. See now comparing about third one. The sea is the deepest of all. Deepest of them all. Okay. So while we are comparing the third one, we have used to use deepest est. Okay. Two things are compared matlab er will come. Three things are compared matlab est will come. Okay. Or more than three things also est will come. See, deepest of them all. क्या बोला यहाँ? All. ठीक है. So deepest of them all. So C is the deepest. Deepest, you know what is the meaning of deepest? How to say deepest? We used to say very deep. नीचे, बहुत नीचे. Down, you just refer this word in dictionary. Now you can understand. Deep. ठीक है. Very deep. Okay. See in this pond now. Very deep. Very down. नीचे. Got it? So this is very basic, and if you understand this matlab, rest of the things it will be very easy, simple for you. See here it is given. The explanation part. The words in bold are adjectives. ठीक है? Bold words now, color words. So वो adjectives है. They are used to show how deep the pond, river and sea are. ठीक है? See. So why they have used in color, bold letter adjectives are used. Why? To show that how deep these three are. Which three? Pond, river and sea. So let us go through. Come. When adjectives are used to compare people or objects, we use the degrees of comparison. ठीक है? तो while comparing of adjective, we use degrees of comparison. ये comparison method we will use here. So degrees of comparison. You know, no tense you know, verb you know, noun you know, adjective you know, and these things you know, no? Like this degrees of comparison is also what in a part in grammar. ठीक है? It is also a part मतलब division. Okay, a division in grammar. So this is very simple and easy. See here. First one. Nina had a big umbrella. ठीक है? Only about this one girl they are saying. See, Nina had a big umbrella. So this is a positive degree. ठीक है? तो 3 degrees are here. See here, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. This is called as degrees of comparison. ठीक है? यही हम बोल रहे हैं degrees of comparison. कितना है? 3 है. Listen. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Got it? Lina had a big umbrella. So ये positive degree है. See here, next comes the comparative degree. मैंने बोला ना comparison. See here, Rekha's umbrella was bigger than Nina's. ठीक है? So comparing of 2 persons. See, Rekha's umbrella was bigger than Nina's. Can you understand? Yeah, this is bigger. So please keep in your mind when bigger er comes, no, when er comes then will come, then. ठीक है? See, when er comes, whatever sentence it is, you just note down this. Wherever er comes, then will come. See, bigger than, shorter than, taller than, higher than will come. So you can understand that it is a comparative degree. Got it? Third one. Geeta's umbrella was the biggest of them all. See, more than 2 or more than 2. When it comes now, superlative degree, est will come. ठीक है? Comparing more than 2 persons, superlative degree will come and est will come. See, very simple this is. Before the superlative degree, est, no, est will come in superlative degree, and before this est, the, will come. Got it? The will come. The biggest, the heightest, the tallest, the longest. It will come like that. Got it? So this is superlative degree hai. Okay, so if you understand this, rest of others, everything is very easy for you. Here are some ways in which we form the comparative adjectives. ठीक है, तो यहाँ comparative adjective they have said. Let us see. By adding er and est. See, er also we will add, est also. See here how they are added. Loud, louder, loudest. ठीक है, like this we used to add. Loud, louder, loudest. See here. Second one, by adding r and st. See here. Brave, braver, bravest. Brave आपको पता है ना, strong. Brave का एक और मीनिंग strong है. तो brave, braver, strongest ये पॉजिटिव है और ये कंपैरेटिव है, ये सुपरलेटिव है. ठीक है. By removing the y and adding ier and iest. ठीक है. Let us see. Tricky, trickier, trickiest. ठीक है. मैंने बोला ना cunning, tricky. I don't know which lesson is that. Somewhere I told you, no. वो lesson नहीं, मैंने in which I said that tricky. Yeah, grammar only. Book back exercise are there, no? Textual exercises. While teaching textual exercises, I have said you cunning fox. बोला था ना, clever fox, cunning fox. Yeah, so tricky, cunning, tricky, दोनों का मीनिंग सेम है. ठीक है. So tricky, trickier, trickiest. Got it? See, IER and IEST. So in comparative IER will come, in superlative IEST will come. ठीक है. See fourth one, by doubling the final consonants and adding ER and EST. ठीक है. Adding ER and EST. See here. Dim, dimmer, dimmest. ठीक है. Dim, dimmer, dimmest. Light, tube light है ना, तो if it is full power, it is not there, and मतलब क्या, लाइट का पावर मतलब लाइट का पावर फुल नहीं है. So it you know, when it is going to off, it will be dim, no, very light, only less, what to say, that light, that power, no, only less it will be there, then it will stop. Can you understand this, the meaning of dim? No, matlab you just refer the dictionary. ठीक है. Dim, this is the example, light, power. ठीक है. It will be very less now, the power will be, yeah, so that is called dim. And in comparative now we will say as dimmer, and in superlative dimmest. ठीक है. Dim, dimmer, dimmest. Got it? Yeah. So the fifth one is by using more and most. More and most we are using. See, grateful, more grateful, most grateful. ठीक है. Grateful मतलब good only, good, superb, that meaning only. ठीक है. Or thank also it will come, no, thank also, thankful, grateful, thank will also come. ठीक है. So grateful, more, in comparative more grateful it will come. ठीक है. And in superlative most grateful will come. Got it? So this is like a formula only. In maths you have more formulas now. Yeah. So if you want to pass in maths subject, if you want to score more marks in maths subject, matlab what you have to do? first you have to mug up the formulas. So you should know how the formulas comes. Yes, no? Same here in grammar, some rules are there. Like formula, here some rules are there. तो आपको वो rules पता होना चाहिए, ठीक है? You have to know the rules. So for knowing the rules, you have to learn. 2-3 times you have to read and see. You have to watch the video. So you can understand, ठीक है? See, irregular comparison. तो ये irregular comparison we will say, ठीक है? This is called as irregular comparison because irregular verbs है. ये irregular verbs है. Irregular verbs मतलब no, it differs. Same नहीं है. Can you understand? See, differs. यहाँ ये same है ना verbs all, but लेकिन यहाँ same नहीं है. ये differs. That's why it is called as irregular. तो यहाँ comparison कर रहे हैं ना, तो इसलिए irregular comparison. Got it? See, little. In two things are compared, you know, see here, less. When three things are compared, least. So ये positive है, ये comparative है और ये superlative है, ठीक है? See, little, less, least, ठीक है? Little, less, least. This you can understand very well. See, good, better, best. Got it? Good, better, best. Very easy, no? Yeah. And the next one is, when we compare two things that are same, we use has plus adjective plus has. ठीक है? When compare two things, this has plus adjective plus has we will use. So see how we are using. This book is as good as that book. So comparing two things with has. See, this book is has. एक minute. This book is as good as that one. Okay. Just like a formula, meaning तो same है. This is better than that. Meaning same है, लेकिन see what is this? ये formula different है. तो in this formula we are applying the words. That's all. See, Maya is has smart as Ravi. ठीक है? Maya is as smart as Ravi. So here what they are saying means this book is also good, that book is also good. ठीक है? See, Maya is also smart, Ravi is also smart. यही meaning, this is the meaning. ठीक है? So when we use then मतलब, we will say that only one thing is good. ठीक है? But when we use this has मतलब, we will say this book is also good and this book is also good. Maya is also smart, Ravi is also smart. Got it? Now can you understand? Yeah. So the next one, some things instead of the comparative degree, we use not when comparing two things that are different. In such cases, we use not has plus adjective plus has. Can you understand what? Two things are compared, लेकिन वो different है, वो same नहीं है, वो अलग है, तो मतलब we will use not. ठीक है? See here the what sentences given. The wolf is not as ferocious as the lion. So यहाँ ferocious मतलब क्या है? Meaning of ferocious, angry. Okay. Lion, you don't know how it will be lion. मालूम है lion how angrier it is. Will you go near to lion? No. But wolf, you know, wolf a bird how it is. Wolf. अच्छी bird नहीं है. मैंने owl सोचा था. Owl bird है ना. Wolf. आपको पता है wolf? वो भी animal है wolf. तो वो it is not as angry as this lion. So how we have to see? How we have to say? The wolf is not as ferocious as the lion. It is not angry as lion. So like this you have to apply in this is just a formula, okay? So like this you have to apply. The wolf is not as ferocious as the lion. Got it? Yeah, then second sentence, see here. The house is not as big as the school. Can you understand this? This you can understand now? So school, how big it is? School is big only now. Yeah. So whether your house will also be as big as the school? Huh? Can you understand? When you compare to a school, whether your house will be same as your school? No, na? So it will be whether it is a big bungalow also, it will be little small, no? Than the school. So how? See, the house is not as big as the school. Understand? Oh God, this you have to first understand. If you understand these things, then the rest explanation part is very easy. See, so this is very small chapter. तो मैंने explanation part भी join किया इसमें, ठीक है? क्या इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट भी है और दिस इज द एक्सरसाइज पार्ट, एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट, एक्सरसाइज भी यहाँ है, ठीक है? सो ओनली वन पार्ट इज देयर. 7th डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन मतलब एक ही वीडियो है ये, ठीक है? सी पॉजिटिव, कंपैरेटिव एंड सुपरलेटिव. वाइज मैंने बोला था ना, इंटेलिजेंट, क्लेवर. वाइज, वाइसर, वाइसेस्ट, ठीक है? फेमस, मोर फेमस, मोस्ट फेमस, ठीक है? वाइज, वाइसर, वाइसर, वाइसेस्ट. फेमस, मोर फेमस, मोस्ट फेमस. बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट. बिग, बिगर, बिगेस्ट. पेल, पेलर, पेलेस्ट. पेल आपको पता है क्या? पेल मतलब क्या है? पेल like very light color. If you know, in sunlight, if you put a dress in the sunlight for 1 week, if you keep in the sunlight the dress, what will happen? The color, it will fade down, no? Color, it will go, no? That is called pale. So it will be very light. Even a real pale color is also there. Without keeping in sunlight also, pale color are the very light colors, ठीक है? सो वो पेल है. इंटेलिजेंट, मोर इंटेलिजेंट, मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट, ठीक है? इंटेलिजेंट, मोर इंटेलिजेंट, मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट. गॉट इट? हाँ, वन मोर थिंग. when you are writing, no, in your grammar book, your handwriting should be very neat, confirm, ठीक है? हैंडराइटिंग बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, तो प्लीज राइट नीटली एंड क्लियरली. गॉट इट? Yes, so this is section B, very easy. See here, just a tick mark you have to do. Tick the correct option and complete the sentences. So मैंने बोला था ना, simple, क्या बोला? For comparating, no, than will be there, bigger than, smaller than, and if superlative, no, तो most will come. In superlative, most, M-O-S-T, sorry, M-O-S-T, most word will come. Otherwise, E-S-T word will come. Biggest, tallest, longest. So the biggest, the longest, it will come, ठीक है? So you can identify very easily. See, the lamp is brighter than the candle. मैंने बोला था ना, see, brighter than the candle. Okay? Kushi's hair is longer than Leena's. Than came, so what will come? Longer, longer than Leena's. Mehul feels that. Mehul feels the happiest when he is dancing, ठीक है? The happiest when he is dancing. This is the most interesting book. मैंने बोला था ना, the. So the most interesting book I have read, ठीक है? read, ये read नहीं है, read. क्यों? I have read, past tense है. I have, this no, VE कैसा पढ़ना है? I have, HAVE ना, that is have, 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 I have read. ठीक है. His cold became worse this morning. Worse मतलब bad. His cold became worse this morning. My room is warm, but yours is warmer. Two persons comparing मतलब मैंने क्या बोला? ER should come. ठीक है. My room is warm, but yours is warmer. I met my favorite author today. I feel like it's my best day ever. ठीक है. यहाँ बेटर डे नहीं, बेस्ट डे होगा. क्यों मैम बेस्ट डे? तो he is very happy, he or she, whoever it is he is very happy. तो when we are very happy, no, we will use best only. better won't come. better तो secondary है ना, second है. तो third है ये best. The best will come when we are very happy, no, we will say best. very good मतलब what we will say? best only ना. so same thing. ठीक है. Rohini is a brilliant student. She solved the most difficult problem with ease. ease मतलब क्या है? easy. ठीक है. ease मतलब easy. So Rohini is a brilliant student. She solved the most difficult problem with ease. Understood? Yeah, so this is the next division, final division है. Complete these sentences using has. dot मतलब यहाँ word will come. ठीक है. क्या word will come? adjective will come with the adjective in the brackets. See, the boxes has, heavy has, the suitcase. So this is very easy and you will enjoy this very much because already word is given in the bracket. Just you have to add it with has. That's all. ठीक है. So here they are comparing two things. See, the box is as heavy as the suitcase. Manoj is as tired as Neha. ठीक है. So both of them are tired. Suitcase is also heavy. Box is also heavy. Can you understand? See here. The mango ice cream is as delicious as the vanilla one. क्या बोला? Mango ice cream is also tasty. Delicious मतलब very tasty. So while saying the food, no, for food we will say as tasty, delicious. ठीक है. delicious. तो यहाँ मैंगो आइसक्रीम इज ऑल्सो टेस्टी एंड वेनिला आइसक्रीम इज ऑल्सो टेस्टी. गॉट इट? हैज डेलिशियस एज. Alice in Wonderland is as interesting as the Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe. ठीक है. and the Wardrobe. So this is a novel. Alice in Wonderland is also a book, novel, story book, novel book है. ठीक है. novel. and this the Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe is also a novel, a book है. ठीक है. so both are books. so क्या हुआ? has interesting has. so the both of the book is also interesting. so this is also interesting like this book. got it? Raman is as thin as Rohit. Raman is as thin as Rohit. so he is thin as Rohit. Can you understand? So when you read itself you can understand. So the thing is you should understand these adjectives. The meaning of adjective आपको मालूम होना चाहिए. ठीक है. Yeah, so come, let's go for next one. Sixth one. Kanakana was as happy as a lark. Okay? So what? Both of them are happy. That's all. If one thing and two thing you have understand, matlab the rest everything is very easy. See here, both is delicious. Here both is also interesting. Both are thin. Both are happy. Same. Both are strong. Both are sweet. That's why here they have given sweetly. Both are sweet. See. Restless were as strong as lions. क्या हुआ? What is this? Restless आपको मालूम है? They'll fight, no? Restless. It is a fight. ठीक है? So they are strong as lions. So what happened? Both are strong. ठीक है? So here see, the cuckoo sings as sweetly as the nightingale. Nightingale पता है क्या? It is a bird. ठीक है? तो cuckoo sings as nightingale. Both are singing very sweetly. Cuckoo sings as sweetly as the nightingale. So both of their voice is sweet. Understand? So this is very easy. If once you understand, matlab it is easy. That's all. Finished. So here no D and E is given. Don't say ma'am आपने आंसर नहीं भेजा. तो ये भेजने के लिए नहीं है. Nothing to send. Just in orally I have to say in class. So while I'm taking online class now, that time I'll say this. Session D and session E orally. Okay, you just listen. Got it? So please go through the chapter and understand. 2-3 times you just watch the video. Okay, bye-bye. Be safe at home. Okay, thank you.